Whoever said that walking can help you live a longer life wasn't referring to this. You're stepping on the wing of a biplane soaring through the sky. Good luck trying to maintain your balance while enduring wind speeds similar to a Category 5 hurricane. Wait, what was that? I hope you have quick reflexes. A close encounter with a bird and it's game over. Here's how to survive wing walking. This is a daredevil sport. Not only are you taking steps onto those wings, but you're also expected to perform some stunts, like handstands, and any other flashy acrobatic move you can do during the 25-minute flight. All that while standing 460 meters above the ground. Wing walking a centimeter below that is forbidden by the US government. Why shouldn't you use a parachute? What could you grab onto up there? How could some black dots save your life? Step 1. Hit the gym. Going up against those strong winds won't be an easy task. You'll find yourself using every muscle in your body, even those you didn't know you had. The last thing you want is to get caught in bad shape. Stretching and exercising regularly weeks before the event is the smart way to go. Do your cardio. Performing those stunts while you experience up to 4 Gs of force will tire you out pretty quickly. Weightlifters have compared their wing walking experience to lifting over 90 kilograms. Step 2. Watch your step. It's showtime. The biplane has reached a height of 914 meters and you're about to do your thing. Let's take things slowly. You do not want to slip on your way out of the cockpit. Your right foot should be in the front of the second cockpit window. Be careful of the glass. If it shatters, the shards could become deadly projectiles injuring the pilot. Remember, your life is in their hands. Use the hand grips to climb onto the wing and once up, strap yourself to the pole so you are secured. Step 3. Look for black dots. Now you can start walking. A big part of the wing is made of fabric, so you are limited as to where you can move. Look for small black dots. You're allowed to step on those, but not with your whole foot, only your toes. Grab the pole, lean back, and lift one of your legs over it. Yes, just as if you were flying on a broomstick. This will be hard to do since there are metal wires that can get in the way, and lifting your leg at that angle can be a little awkward. Remember all that stretching you did weeks ago? Time to put it to the test. Step 4. Don't use a parachute. At such extreme heights, you might think about wearing a parachute, but that would just make what you're doing even more dangerous. Imagine if you accidentally deploy it while you're performing. You strapped to a plane with a propeller as a parachute swirls around. It's a disaster in the making. That doesn't mean you shouldn't wear safety gear, though. A harness is your best option to go along with keeping 3 points of contact with the plane or wires at all times. Hold on to the wires with your hands and keep your other foot on the plane. This is essential for your stability. Step 5. Pick the right outfit. Sure, everyone loves a good old pair of cargo pants, but you might want to consider leaving them at home for this. Remember, up there, you can experience wind speeds of up to 241 kilometers per hour. You don't want to give wind packing that much punch something to grab onto. Hoodies, loose pants, or baggy clothes are a bad idea. Go for a tight-fitting outfit for this one. You survived wing walking and checked another thing off your bucket list. Now let's try bungee jumping. Sounds exhilarating, but would you know what to do if the rope breaks? Well, we're always ready to catch you here on How to Survive.